big news coming in this morning. The Enforcement Directorate team is at the residence of Aam Aadmi Party Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh this morning. Sanjay Singh, remember, is the AAP Rajya Sabha's Member of Parliament. He is one of the closest aides of Arvind Kejriwal ever since the Anna Andolan days, then to the founding of the Aam Aadmi Party. He has been the closest for now, especially since Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain are behind bars. Now, according to our information, we are being told the team is at the residence of Aam Aadmi Party MP in regard to the Delhi liquor excise policy case, in which, remember, AAP has been in trouble. The reason why Manish Sisodia is behind bars for now. Let's go across to Munish Pandey, who's tracking the Enforcement Directorate and all our investigative agencies. This is clearly a big moment, and this is, I'm sure, will lead to a political showdown as well. But Munish, what is the reason that today morning ED has landed up at Sanjay Singh's residence? What are the charge sheet and the charges against Sanjay Singh?
Well, Pooja, as far as Sanjay Singh is concerned, remember his name appeared in the charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the excise policy case. The first charge sheet was filed in December 2022, and Sanjay Singh's name was mentioned in that charge sheet. According to the allegations by the Enforcement Directorate, Sanjay Singh had, he was part of a fundraising program of Aam Aadmi Party in a Delhi hotel, where he met, at that point of time, the person who was accused in the FIR, that is Dinesh Arora. Later he turned a prover in the case. Dinesh Arora, in his statement, had told the Enforcement Directorate, and these are allegations in the charge sheet, that Sanjay Singh was present in that program. Then there was a work regarding liquor policy, and Sanjay Singh helped Dinesh Arora in that particular case. There was a meeting of Dinesh Arora at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, and Sanjay Singh was also present in that, in that meeting. So these are the allegations which were leveled by the Enforcement Directorate in the charge sheet. Later, the Enforcement Directorate conducted searches at several premises, on those people who were closely associated to Sanjay Singh. Sanjay Singh has...
Munish, let me understand this, and for the viewer also, let's kind of perhaps simplify it, that Sanjay Singh directly was not involved, like Manish Sisodia was as a minister, for the excise policy for liquor, but he was around, he was helping get this cleared, he was arranging or getting the funds arranged. Was all of that the blames and the allegations against him?
Well, Pooja, according to the Enforcement Directorate, there was involvement of Sanjay Singh in excise policy case. As I was mentioning that Dinesh Arora, in his statement to the Enforcement Directorate, told the officials that there was a work regarding excise policy in which Sanjay Singh allegedly helped Dinesh Arora. Also, there was a meeting of Dinesh Arora, who was a liquor businessman at that point of time, and later he turned approval in the case. That person had a meeting with Arvind Kejriwal, and in that meeting, Sanjay Singh was also present. So clearly, there are links which has been established by the Enforcement Directorate regarding Sanjay Singh in the excise policy scam. As far as Sanjay Singh is concerned, people close to Sanjay Singh were also searched by the Enforcement Directorate a few months back, and now Sanjay Singh is being searched by the Enforcement Directorate.
That's right. Munish is telling us, I remember this, that there were two office boys or office colleagues there with Sanjay Singh who were also questioned earlier, and now there's a team. Stay on with me, Munish, because I want to bring in these visuals again of the Enforcement Directorate team early morning at the residence of Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh. This is in Delhi, the Delhi residence of the Member of Parliament, and we'll try and get a statement of from Sanjay Singh or perhaps the party leaders as soon as possible. I want to again bring in Munish Pandey on this. Munish, because you've been tracking the agencies, specifically the Enforcement Directorate, in the manner in which these searches, so to say, are happening. Can we say right now this is a raid, or should we say this is a questioning that is being done? Because I remember, according to what you had also earlier sent out, that according to the source-based information via the charge sheet is that there were some cases that were pending against Dinesh Arora, that also Sanjay Singh kind of got cleared out or promised to. There was a lot of money that exchanged hands, and all of this was happening on the request of Sanjay Singh, on Sanjay Singh's involvement, the funding that was coming, the money that was exchanging hands, as per ED.
Yeah, well, Pooja, as far as allegations against Sanjay Singh are concerned, remember, In this case, there was an amount of 32 lakh rupees which was handed over to Aam Aadmi Party in that particular fundraising program. As far as Sanjay Singh is concerned, I remember speaking to Sanjay Singh about these allegations in a program at India Today and Aaj Tak, and Sanjay Singh clearly told that this was the money which came in check, which means there was no illegality involved. As far as allegations by Enforcement Directorate against him are concerned, he denied them categorically, and he also said that the ED heat is on him because he has been a vocal critic of this government and the Enforcement Directorate. But recently what happened, Pooja, and this becomes very important because few of the associates of Sanjay Singh were searched, their phones were seized, and ED learned that they had approached Sanjay Singh regarding some work in Delhi government. Sanjay Singh said that he had not taken any money. He is a leader. He is a member of parliament, and that is why people approach him. And it is his duty as a leader that if someone is in need of help, he should help them. So these were the allegations by ED. But again, Sanjay Singh had clarified on those allegations. But we also learned that when officials were going through the phone records, they got to know about certain evidence in the case.
There must be a reason. I mean, the ED has to have a reason to be landing up at a member of parliament's residence, even though, of course, AAP has been saying that this is political vendetta, but ED believes that in the past few months, they have done enough investigation to be able to at least find a lead that kind of tightens the noose on Sanjay Singh.